If you want to unlock advanced features, testing tools, or certain app modifications, enabling root mode in LDPlayer can be very useful. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable root mode in LDPlayer step by step in 2026. First, open LDPlayer on your Windows PC. Make sure it is fully loaded and running before changing any settings. Next, click on the settings icon from the right side toolbar or main menu. Now go to the advanced settings or other settings section, depending on your version of LDPlayer. Look for the option called root permission or enable root mode Turn the toggle on to enable root access inside the emulator. After enabling it, click save or apply settings to confirm the changes. Now close LDPlayer completely. Make sure it is not running in the background, then restart it for the changes to take effect. Once LDPlayer restarts, root mode will be active, and you can use apps that require root access. If you don't see the root option, make sure your LDPlayer version supports it. Some versions require using a specific Android instance like Android 7 or Android 9. If root still doesn't work, try creating a new emulator instance and enabling root during setup. Finally, test root access using a root checker app to confirm everything is working properly. And that's how to enable root mode in LDPlayer. Yeah, once it's enabled, you can access advanced tools and customize apps more freely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.